Hi guys. Okay, so in this lesson, we're going to be learning how to solve multiplication problems, okay, or find the value of multiplication expressions using the standard algorithm, okay? And so this is a model of it that uses two colors to kind of indicate the steps. So first, we're going to write the number with the most digits in the expression on the top. So 321 has 3 digits, we write that on the top. 25 has 2 digits, we write that on the bottom. And notice how everything is lined up to the right, okay? Everything is just pushed over to line up to the right there. Okay, so now the first thing we focus on is the ones place digit of the bottom number, so this 5, which is in green, okay? And we're gonna generate this line of work here using this 5. So it says here, multiply the green 5 by the black 1, 2, and 3. So multiply the green 5 by the black 1, then by the black 2, then by the black 3. So we're focusing on this 5 and doing it all across the board. So we start with the 5. 5 times 1 is 5, so we write that here, okay? Next, we do the 5 times 2, which is 10, right? Which is 10. But we don't write 10 down here. We simply write the 0, okay? And we're going to carry the 1 above the next place, the hundreds place. Next, we do 5 times 3, and that's 15, plus the 1 that we carried is 16, and we bring that 16 down here, okay? So this green line of work came from multiplying the 5 by the 1, then the 2, then the 3. And that's why this line of work is green, because it goes with this 5. It all came from multiplying this 5. The next thing we do is come down here, and look what the first thing says. It says insert a 0. So this 0 here was inserted without doing any multiplication, sort of, okay? Then we're gonna multiply the orange 2 by the black 1, 2, and 3. So we're gonna multiply this orange 2 by the black 1, then the 2, then the 3, moving right to left. So let's talk a little bit about this 0 and why it's there. First thing we're going to do is multiply the 2 by the 1, and 2 times 1 is 2. But if we think about this 2, this actually doesn't have a value of 2. It's in the tens place. So this is actually a 20, or 2 tens. So when you multiply 20 by 1, you don't get 2, you get 20, okay? To make the algorithm easier, we just want to think 2 times 1 is 2 and write that down. So we bring the 0 down to account for the fact that this is really 20 times 1, okay? So by bringing the 0 down, we don't have to think much about it. We just simply put it there, and now we can do 2 times 1 is 2. Next, 2 times 2 is 4. And next, 2 times 3 is 6, okay? And this carry of 1, remember, was from the previous multiplication with the 5s. So now we've got our green line of work, came from the 5. The orange line of work came from the 2. Now, the last thing is we add the green and the orange together. So we add our 2 lines of work together. 5 plus 0 is 5. 0 plus 2 is 2. 6 plus 4 is 10. But again, we write the 0 and carry the 1. And then 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 6 is 8. And our final answer is 8,025. Coming over here, we're going to run through the steps one more time, because you normally don't have colored digits when you're doing this. You have black and white digits. So I'm going to use colored pencils here. I'm going to circle the 5 in green, right? And I'm going to circle the 2 in orange and go through the motions one more time, all right? So again, the first step is to multiply the green 5 by the 1, the 2, and the 3. So we're focusing on this 5. 5 times 1 is 5, and we'll do it all in green because we're working with the green 5. 5 times 2 is 10. We don't put 10, we put the 0 down here and carry the 1. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 1 is 16. So there's my green line that goes with the green 5. Next up, we come down here to the 2, but we've got to remember, insert a 0 here, right? Because we're not really multiplying by 2, we're multiplying by 20, okay? So 20 times 1 would be 20, but we think 2 times 1 is 2, and that allows us to think more simply. 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 3 is 6. Now you get your regular pencil, and we're going to add these together. 5 plus 0 is 5, 0 plus 2 is 2, 6 plus 4 is 10, so we bring down the 0, carry the 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 6 is 8. Final answer, 8,025. So again, this is just using the standard algorithm, a little bit of color coding to see where each line of work is coming from. And there you have it.